In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mind map in Miro. Mind mapping is an invaluable tool that helps you visually organize information, making it easier to brainstorm ideas, solve problems, or plan projects efficiently. Miro, being a versatile online collaboration platform, offers a robust mind mapping feature, and today we're going to explore how to make the most of it. First things first, we need to add the Mind Map tool to your board. Begin by opening your chosen board within Miro. On the left side, you will find the Creation toolbar. Here, you should look for the Mind Map icon. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. You can access more tools by clicking on More Apps. In this section, type Mind Map into the search bar. Once you've found it, simply drag and pin it to your toolbar. This will provide you with quick and easy access in the future. Once you have successfully added the Mind Map tool to your toolbar, click on it to activate the feature. Now you'll want to click anywhere on the blank canvas. This action will place the root node, which is essentially your main idea or central topic. Enter the subject you want to explore, and you're on your way. Now that we've established the central theme, it's time to expand your mind map. You can do this manually, and here's how to efficiently build it out. If you want to create a child node or a subtopic branching off your main idea, simply press the Tab key. This makes it straightforward to dive deeper into subcategories or supporting ideas. Should you want to add a sibling node, which is essentially another central idea related to the first one, use the Enter or Return key to insert it. Navigating between the various nodes you've created is quite intuitive as well. Use the arrow keys to move through different nodes, ensuring that you can view and edit them seamlessly. Organizing your nodes is also a breeze with Miro. If you decide that you want to shift the hierarchy or change the relationship between nodes, hold down the Control key on Windows or the CMD key on a Mac. Then, simply drag your chosen node to reassign it under a different parent node. This flexibility allows you to rearrange your map with ease without having to recreate parts of it. Lastly, should you ever need to remove a node along with its associated branches, it's as simple as selecting the node and pressing the Delete key. This action cleans up your mind map effortlessly, helping you stay focused and organized. And there you have it. You now know how to add and manipulate a mind map in Miro, a powerful tool to enhance your brainstorming sessions. Thank you for watching, and happy mind mapping.